And La Niña's got something to say about it. This weather phenomenon, characterized by cooler-than-average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean, is known for its significant impact on global weather patterns. Get those snow boots ready, folks. With La Niña in play, we can expect some dramatic changes in our winter weather. Winter 2024/2025 is just around the corner, and it looks like La Niña is back to shake things up. This means we could see a variety of weather conditions, from heavy snowfall in some areas to milder, drier conditions in others. Remember that blast of cold air we saw last year? It was intense, wasn't it? La Niña was the culprit. This weather pattern can lead to colder winters in some regions, especially in the northern hemisphere. This year she's back for more, bringing her signature chilly touch to winter weather patterns across the globe. From North America to Europe, La Niña's influence will be felt far and wide. That means we could be in for a wild ride, with some regions seeing heavier snowfall than usual, while others might experience a drier, milder season. It's all about where you are and how La Niña's patterns interact with local weather systems. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Our team of meteorologists is here to help you navigate through the season. In this winter weather special, we'll break down everything you need to know about La Niña's impact, from the science behind it to what you can expect in your region. We'll explore regional snowfall predictions for North America and Europe, giving you a detailed look at how La Niña might shape the winter months ahead, and give you a month-by-month breakdown of what to expect. From December through February, we'll cover the highs and lows, the snowstorms and the calm spells. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, get cozy, and let's dive into the exciting world of winter weather forecasting. Whether you're a snow lover or prefer milder winters, we've got all the information you need to stay prepared and make the most of the season. So what exactly is La Niña, and why should we care about her impact on winter? La Niña is a fascinating climate phenomenon that can significantly alter our weather patterns. La Niña is like the cool, calm, and collected sister of El Niño. While El Niño brings warmer conditions, La Niña does the opposite. She's part of a natural climate pattern called the El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO, which is a cycle of warming and cooling sea surface temperatures in the Pacific Ocean. This cycle is crucial because it influences global weather and climate. When La Niña is in charge, the waters in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean are cooler than average. These cooler waters can affect atmospheric circulation patterns, leading to various weather changes around the world. This might not seem like a big deal, but trust me, it has a ripple effect across the globe, influencing everything from temperatures and precipitation to storm tracks and jet stream patterns. For instance, La Niña can strengthen the jet stream, causing it to dip further south. This can lead to more frequent and intense winter storms in certain regions. In a nutshell, La Niña tends to bring colder and wetter conditions to the northern United States, Canada, and parts of Europe. This means more snow and ice, which can disrupt daily life and transportation. Meanwhile, the southern U.S. often experiences warmer and drier weather. This can lead to drought conditions affecting agriculture and water supply. Farmers in these regions may struggle with crop yields, and water shortages can become a serious issue. Understanding La Niña helps us prepare for these challenges. Scientists and meteorologists closely monitor La Niña and its effects to provide accurate weather forecasts and help communities brace for its impact. By staying informed and prepared, we can better navigate the challenges that La Niña brings to our winter weather. Hold on to your hats, North America, because La Niña's got her sights set on you this winter. With her chilly influence in play, we're expecting above-average snowfall across a large swath of the continent. The Pacific Northwest and northern Rockies, already known for their snowy winters, are likely to see even more powder this year. So get those skis and snowboards waxed. But it's not just the mountains that will be buried in white. The Great Lakes region, often dubbed the Snow Belt, is also bracing for a heavy dose of lake-effect snow. And don't forget the Northeast, from New England down to the Mid-Atlantic, which could see some significant snowfalls, especially in January and February. So keep those shovels handy. Section 4. A White Christmas and Beyond, Europe's Winter Wonderland Forecast. Across the pond, Europe is also gearing up for a potentially snowy winter, thanks in part to La Niña's far-reaching influence. While the exact impacts can vary widely across the continent, there are some general trends we can expect. Northern and Eastern Europe, including Scandinavia, Russia, and parts of Central Europe, are likely to see colder than average temperatures and above average snowfall. So if you're dreaming of a white Christmas, these are the places to be. Southern Europe, including the Mediterranean region, is expected to have a milder and wetter winter overall. However, even these areas could see some occasional cold snaps and snowfall, especially at higher elevations. So don't pack away those winter coats just yet. Section 5. Snow Month by Month, a Winter Survival Guide. Winter can be both beautiful and challenging, and understanding what to expect each month can help you prepare and enjoy the season to its fullest. Let's break it down month by month, shall we? Each month brings its own unique weather patterns and challenges, so it's important to know what to expect. Remember, these are just general predictions, and Mother Nature is known for her surprises. Always stay updated with local forecasts and be prepared for sudden changes. December. The winter wonderland begins. This is the month when the magic of winter truly starts to unfold. Expect a snowy start to the season across much of North America and Europe, with December bringing the first significant snowfalls to many regions. It's a time for festive celebrations and cozying up by the fire. January. Buckle up for a chilly January, as the cold really sets in. This is often the coldest month of the year, so make sure you're well prepared. With La Niña's influence really taking hold, this weather pattern can lead to more intense and frequent storms. The Pacific Northwest, Northern Rockies, Great Lakes, and Northeast could see heavy snowfalls this month. It's a great time for winter sports enthusiasts, but also a time to be cautious on the roads. January's icy grip continues into February, often bringing some of the harshest winter conditions. With more snow expected across much of North America and Europe, this is a month where staying warm and safe is paramount. The snowiest conditions are likely to be concentrated in the regions mentioned earlier. Make sure to have your winter gear ready and keep an eye on weather updates. March. As winter starts to loosen its grip, we begin to see the first signs of spring. March could bring a mixed bag of weather. You might experience a blend of snow, rain, and even some sunny days. Expect some continued snowfall, especially in northern regions, where winter tends to linger a bit longer, but also be prepared for warmer temperatures and rain as spring approaches. It's a transitional period, so keep your winter gear handy, while also starting to think about spring preparations. Section 6. Gearing up for winter's snowy embrace. Now that you know what Mother Nature might have in store this winter, it's time to prepare. First things first, make sure your winter wardrobe is up to snuff. Think warm coats, hats, gloves, and waterproof boots. Don't forget about those layers. Next, get your home ready for the cold. Check your heating system, insulate windows and doors, and stock up on firewood if you have a fireplace. And finally, be prepared for winter driving conditions. Make sure your car is equipped with good tires, keep an ice scraper and snow brush handy, and always check the forecast before heading out. Section 7. Stay safe, stay warm, stay informed. So there you have it, folks. Winter 2024-2025 is shaping up to be a snowy one for many, thanks to La Niña's chilly influence. But remember, weather is a fickle beast, and these are just predictions. The best way to stay ahead of the game is to stay informed. Keep an eye on your local forecasts, listen to the experts, and be prepared for anything Mother Nature throws your way. Stay safe, stay warm, and most importantly, have a wonderful winter season.